we will show you how to open the HP Victus 15 and what's inside of it. This notebook's bottom panel is held in place by 7 Phillips head screws. After you undo them, pry the panel with a plastic tool, and lift it away from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Here, the 52.5 watt-hours battery lasts for 11 hours and 30 minutes of web browsing, or 9 hours of video playback. To take it out, you need to undo 4 Phillips head screws. Before you do that, unplug the connector from the motherboard. Here, you get 2 SODIMM slots for memory. They support DDR4 RAM, working at 3200 MHz. As for the storage, you get one M.2 PCIe X4 slot. It only fits Gen 3 SSDs. Cooling-wise, there are 2 heat pipes, connected to a huge heat sink. There, 2 fans blow the heat away from the chassis. As usual, the VRMs and the graphics memory get cooled by a couple of heat spreaders. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.